Drivers in the box in 3, 2, 1, go. And we are off in the autonomous period, giving the folks in the cheap sheets a show here with artifacts flying across the field courtesy of Hexadecimal Nibble and the Catholic Master Builders. That motif pattern of purple, green, purple has already been fulfilled once by the Red Alliance, giving them that bonus despite a shot-for-shot disadvantage here as we get to the end of auto.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we are off. The gong has sounded, and right away, unscheduled disassembly. A nimble, tiny machine hits that gate. Same deal on the Blue Alliance. Sanawa Robotics on gate duty for the Blue Alliance as they clear out those classified pieces to prevent overflows. Something these alliances really don't want at this stage in the game. 25-6-20 Hexadecimal Nibble. They are potentially the most efficient robot in the state when it comes to those long shots, and they nail another pair down for 3. We have a minute 22 left to go, and 76-13 Sanawa Robotics is entirely on defense and gate duty. They are filling their niche incredibly well. It's keeping the Blue Alliance in lockstep, but the Red Alliance has the advantage at the moment, 119-61 with 62 seconds left to play. On the Red Alliance, Hexadecimal Nibble, winning multiple events this year. They are going to line up once again using their April tag tracking to flawlessly nail down another trifecta of greens. 12-7-6-7, the Catholic Master Builders. They were finalists at their event a couple of weeks ago. They are going to nail down another 3 from long range. This has been the battle of the long shots here as they're all hitting those cross field. We are seeing some incredible contention from Sanawa as they make the unscheduled disassembly miss a shot as they go careening down that near launch zone. We are now in the end game period. These teams are going to attempt to get back in that base area as the Catholic Master Builders fight through interference to score another 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it looks like we have some base points to the Red Alliance winning 213 to 124.